people like you who will guide us forward in what we need to do.
Symbud Myntri Rangbah ubakmi Ekatana District Council Affairs Hinin Kasngi ula Pynlong ke Jingialang bat kilai Tylli ki Autonomous District Council ke KHADC, JHADC bat GHADC ban ya phaliu Jingmut Halor ke grant jong ke 15th Financial Commission ke baon sepelat no shen syaka ADC haka jilla. Habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor hadian ke Jingialang UCEM ke KHADC ubak penya ting CM ula pentip bakapisa ke badang sa teng haka benta Lai Tylli ki ADC kat kum kefan bala menjur da ke 15 Finance Commission kalong sanspa aklor tingka. Hakajuk kepor ubak si mula ong ba kidon kat tu kat ni kimat ki bedang sa ting ki bala dep pen bet hadian ke jingwan jingo dangshen jong ki dukot katanat panchayati raj syaka jilla banyakran halor ki babon kimat. Kat kum ka jingut ho jong u ke council kalapir syang banle e ke bahatam ban pentebet penbiang barok ki jing don kam kat kum ka jing betha balapin mi dakani katanat bat ke sarkar jilla.
Were discussed regarding the 15 Finance Commission grant to be released soon to the Autonomous District Council in Meghalaya. So there are some pending issues that we have already rectified and addressed in these few days back when the Ministry of Panchayati Raj has sent 3 officials to the state to meet all the 3 ADCs with regards to this pending proposal as per the Ikram Swaraj portal.